Hi friends, today's my delicious recipe. You can't expect this taste. This is very tasty. We can serve with rice or roti. Take 100 grams of mixed color green chili. If you want red color, you can take green only. 100 grams of green chili. Wash well, then remove the stem, then clean it, then dry under the fan. Then cut into 2 pieces, transfer to a chopper or mixie jar. Chop nicely. Chopper is fine for this recipe. Now add only 2 garlic cloves. For this quantity of green chili, 2 garlic cloves is enough. Then chop nicely green chili and garlic. Finely chopped now. Transfer to a bowl. Then take 2 to 3 garlic and 2 slices of onion, 2 slices of ginger, 2 bay leaves, 1 black cardamom, and 2 Marathi mug, and 1 anise flower, and a few stone flower, and a few cinnamon, and 3 to 4 cloves. Now fry the 2 tablespoons of white or brown color sesame. All ingredients is available on description box. Then take half cup of oil. Then add all masalas. Roast well these masalas. Oil will absorb all masalas flavor. Now add roasted sesame to green chili and add required salt. Then mix well. Keep aside. Check the roasted masalas. It's not roasting till now. Once change it to brown color, then remove the all masalas from oil. We are using oil here, not masalas. You can use these masalas another recipe or any recipe, any masala recipe. Now add the hot oil to the green chili. Mix well. It's needed 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil is enough for this quantity of green chili. This is very tasty as a side dish or main dish for rice, side dish for roti or chapati. Take less spicy green chili. It will be taste. Keep aside, close and keep aside. Now take only 1 green chili and 4 garlic cloves. Grind it. Grind roughly. Then in the masala oil add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. This masala oil is very tasty to the curry. Add crushed green chilli and garlic. Fry it. Then add two stems of curry leaves. Then cut the 3 to 4 onions nicely. Then add it to curry. Fry until transfer to the color. Now cut the only 2 small tomatoes and 400 grams of capsicum. Keep the flame on low. Then cut them, or you can cut before starting the cooking. Now add the tomato and capsicum. This curry is very tasty for rice or roti. You can use for both dishes. As a dinner or a lunch, add required salt. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 full teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Then mix all the ingredients. Now close and cook for few minutes. 3 to 4 minutes is enough to cook this capsicum. After cooking, color will change. You can check cook or not. Once cooked, add another ingredients. 2 tablespoons of groundnut powder. Already uploaded this video in shorts and main video, or you can use roasted peanuts and red chilli, then cumin seed, garlic. Now add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 2 teaspoon of kasurimethi, then 1 cup of curd. Then mix all the ingredients and cook for again 2 to 3 minutes. This is very easy and fast recipe for children or guests or any family members. They will enjoy this recipe. If you buy this recipe from hotel, this is very cost, but we can make with less budget. This is a delicious recipe. In this consistency, we can add fresh coriander. This is the final touch. Then mix and stop the flame. Little bit liquid. Then we can stove off. Now serving time. This type of capsicum curry is very tasty. We need not add any cream or any cashew paste. No need. This is very simple and healthy curry. You can use pulka or roti and rice. At the end, take 1 cup of buttermilk. This is full dinner for you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Please like, share and comment. I am tasting this recipe. This is really very tasty. You can take from chili, chopped chili. You can mix the chopped chili with rice, then you can eat. It's very tasty. Thank you for watching. Meet us in